Consider for a moment the metaphor of life as a canvas, a blank space awaiting the strokes of our dreams and ambitions. Without the deliberate intention of setting goals, this canvas remains a void, a missed opportunity to paint the masterpiece of our lives. Goals, my friends, are the vibrant palette of colors that infuse life into this canvas, creating a kaleidoscope of experiences that define our journey. In the grand theater of existence, envision your goals as the script, the narrative that propels you forward through the acts of your life. Each goal, carefully articulated and nurtured, becomes a scene in the play of your personal growth. These scenes, woven together, create a compelling story that unfolds with every choice, every decision, and every action you take. Let's delve into the anatomy of a goal. It is not a mere destination, but a living entity, a dynamic force that propels you toward a desired outcome. Your goals, much like the characters in a story, undergo development, facing challenges, overcoming obstacles, and experiencing growth. As you set your goals, breathe life into them, imbue them with the essence of your passion and purpose. Take a pen and paper or open the canvas of your digital device and let us embark on an exercise of self-discovery. What are the goals that stir the depths of your soul? What are the aspirations that, when brought to fruition, would add meaning and significance to your journey? Write them down, my friends, not as mere words, but as the beginning of a dialogue with your future self. Now, consider each goal as a chapter in the book of your life. What characters will inhabit these chapters? What plot twists and turns will make your story captivating and unforgettable? The act of setting goals is not a rigid formula, but a creative process, an artistic endeavor that allows you to shape the narrative of your existence. As you articulate your goals, let them be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This acronym is not just a set of criteria. It is the compass that ensures your goals are aligned with your values, grounded in reality, and equipped with a deadline that propels you into action. However, my fellow travelers, goal setting is merely the overture of the symphony of success. The true melody lies in the disciplined pursuit of these objectives. It is the daily rituals, the habitual cadence of intentional action that transforms aspirations into tangible realities. Success is not a one-time event, but a harmonious interplay of consistent effort, resilience, and adaptability. Let us now explore the psychology of goal pursuit. Goals, when set with clarity and intention, serve as powerful motivators. They provide a sense of direction, a purpose that transcends the mundane tasks of daily life. Your goals become the North Star, guiding you through the complexities of decision-making and offering a compass in the storms of uncertainty. Moreover, goals give you a psychological edge. The very act of setting a goal triggers a cognitive process that aligns your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors toward the achievement of that goal. It's like programming the GPS of your mind to navigate the terrain of success. Consider the analogy of a ship setting sail. The captain charts a course, and the crew works together to navigate through changing winds and unpredictable waters. In the same vein, your goals are the destination plotted on your life's map, and you are both the captain and the crew of your journey. Embrace the challenges as opportunities to demonstrate your leadership and teamwork skills in the grand voyage of life. Now, let us explore the relationship between goals and identity. Your goals are not separate from who you are. They are an extension of your identity. When you set a goal, you are essentially declaring to yourself and the universe what you aspire to become. It is an act of self-definition, a proclamation of the person you are committed to evolving into. As you craft your goals, ask yourself, who do I need to become to achieve these aspirations? Your goals are mirrors reflecting back the image of your potential self. If you aim to become a successful entrepreneur, Your goals will require you to embody the qualities of leadership, innovation, and resilience. If you aspire to be a compassionate leader, your goals will guide you to cultivate empathy, effective communication, and a service-oriented mindset. The pursuit of goals, therefore, is not just about acquiring external achievements. It is a profound journey of self-discovery and self-transformation. Your goals act as catalysts, propelling you to stretch beyond your comfort zone, to confront and conquer your fears, and to unearth latent talents and strengths. Now let us examine the symbiotic relationship between goal setting and time management. Time, the currency of life, is a finite resource. How we invest our time determines the returns we yield in terms of personal growth and goal attainment. Goals without a time-bound plan risk becoming elusive fantasies, drifting like untethered balloons in the vast sky of possibilities. Think of your goals as appointments with your future self. Just as you wouldn't miss an important meeting or a doctor's appointment, treat your goals with the same level of commitment. Create a timeline, a roadmap that breaks down your long-term goals into manageable milestones. Consider adopting the technique of time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time in your schedule dedicated to working on your goals. Treat these blocks as sacred, non-negotiable commitments. Whether it's an hour a day or a weekend retreat, protect these moments as you would guard a precious treasure. Moreover, be mindful of Parkinson's law, which states that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. By setting deadlines for your goals, you create a sense of urgency that propels you into focused action. Deadlines are not constraints, but catalysts, igniting a fire within you to strive for excellence and efficiency.